Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today is the last day of this year 2025. So we're having a fun little game where we uh, magbubunot po kami ng random numbers, which is nandito po sa kamay ng friend ko, and then apat po na gifts na nandito, and then kapag anong number yung nabunot namin is yun yung kukunin namin. Kaya for today's video, dalawa lang po kami ang nandito, kaya yun. So, sino first?
Ikaw.
Ikaw? Ako muna. Okay.
Wait lang.
Ako muna daw. Pero to be honest, alam ko na almost parang alam namin kung ano to kasi ginaganon-ganon po namin, and we have no idea what's inside of it, but I think by just feeling the gifts, I think we know it. Yeah. So, yun. As is si mama yung gumawa ng gifts na ito.
Tapos basahin mo yung nakasulat dyan.
Walang number, Inday. Ay, number 2. Number 2, pabayaan mo na siya. May iba na siyang mahal. Oh.
At yun po yung number 2.
Number 2. Wait lang ko. Separate na lang po muna natin before natin i-open. So, this is the number 2. Yes. Then, ikaw na. Minat. Anong number?
Number 4. So, ang sakit pala, no? Magmahal ulit.
Ah!
Pa!
So, this is the number 4. Alam ko na to.
Yeah,
Alam ko
I
ano
know
nandito.
this.
And then last. Ako na. Sabayin natin. Ikaw muna magbabasa niya. You first.
Number 1. Mag-move on ka na dahil hindi kanya mahal, no?
And then for me, number 3. Aray ko. Yay, undaw. That is an Ibaloy term. I don't know if iilan lang yung naka-understand. So, we're gonna open our gifts.
Lahat puti sa akin.
So, I already sa akin. So, depends on you kung ano i-open mo. Sige, let's open it together. Oh my gosh, ano yun?
Yeah.
Aba na yun. 1, tada, 2,
Set.
Ano yan?
Oh my God!
So, what's yours? Ito po yung is,
Yeah.
this one is the, ano yan? Notebook money. Yan. Ano pa pala? Ay,
Ano
wow.
to?
I think this is mascara. I think so. Wait, ang purple. May purple mascara siya. Yan, ano to? And then this one is, ito yung, yung para sa breath mo, ganun.
Oo.
Meron akong ganyan, so, don't worry. So, I got a turmeric
Ano yan?
soap. Ay, akala ko, I thought this is a turmeric na powder, pero soap pa pala siya. So, ito yung nabasa ko dun sa message ng mother ko dun sa nag-pack nung gifts na ito. So, I got a 3 turmeric soup. I know, yeah, soap, bar soap. Yeah, ganun. And then I got a mascara also.
Same?
Tingnan natin. Yung purple sa'yo, tapos blue sa akin. Oh my gosh, I like it. Oh, we're gonna use this for this new year.
Yeah.
For the last day of 2025.
For fun.
Yeah.
And
And then, the last one, alam ko na yan.
yeah.
Alam ko na yan. Ana, dulce. Paiso! Colgate pala
Yeah,
yan.
Colgate. And then,
Oh, ito yung hinahanap ko kanina.
and
Spam. Oh my gosh, and I got a...
And I got
Ayan.
this.
Same tayo. Pero iba yung color.
Yeah.
And then I got a rubber band.
Yeah.
Here. Ta-da! So wait, try ko muna. We're gonna open this lip gloss. Yeah, lip gloss or lipstick. If I'm not mistaken.
Oh, shoot.
But parang yan pag magkaparehas yung lipstick nung classmate namin. Kasi din yung style ng lipstick niya.
Amuyin mo.
Anong amoy? Parang Old Factory Bakery. Parang
Ako?
ganun for me.
Ako parang cookie.
Cookie din.
Yeah.
Wala inaamoy namin for some reason. So, yan lahat. It's all just a little by little gifts. Yan. Ganun, chikinini.
Mga anik-anik.
Yan, mga anik-anik. And, heto ang mas gusto ko kasi heto yung favorite Yakult, version of Yakult from, I don't know if Japan, Chinese, Korean ba to, di ko alam. Sa iyon. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and advance Happy New Year!